Alright guys, you know I'm in the middle of the move, so when I'm showing scenes at the shop right now, just apologize for the mess. But I have a commission that I think I can sneak in before I can actually start moving things, and so we're gonna start working on that right now. Let me just explain what the project is, and we'll tell you what we're gonna do today. All right, so the project is somebody wants a street sign. All right. That's shaped like a shield. So they believe it's 3 foot wide by 7 foot long, piece of 1/4 inch, and they want this logo cut out, raised up, and then they're going to put lighting behind it so that it's backlit. So that I don't need the forge for, and quite honestly, they asked for it to be hand cut, so I'm a little anxious about that. But that's not the part that we're working on right now. This down here, this number, the 290, they want like an applique, you know, laid on top of the shield shape, not cut out. So we're gonna, and you know, I asked, should we go get these things laser cut, or should we forge them? Because, you know, I like to put a little bit of me. I mean, cutting this up by hand, it's not enough of me into a project. And so we decided that we'd let Chandler try to forge these letters. So today I'm just going to work on this. This one is a proof of concept. He's after a Gothic look, so there is extra detail that we might be able to throw in there. But just to shape this out, he wants them about 1 inch tall, or as close to 1 inch tall as possible. Actually, probably doesn't have to be that tall, because he also wants them a little bit raised off the platform there. So hopefully we're okay with what my approach is right now. So we have one piece here, this piece here, this may be a separate piece. You know, the whole pretty complex shapes, but every shape, right here, these are easy, and then this is really the only one that's tapered like that. You know, this character gives you an example of what the time and amount of work is going to be involved in that. So we're going to create this too. We're going to try to, and he did want it 1 inch high, but that's 1 inch with a little bit of a standoff. I went with 3/4 because that's what this is here, and this split is 3/4. I can get, you know, it's about 1 inch in this direction, but I hope that's high enough for him. Well, we're gonna go with 3/4 inch. We'll see what we end up with. So let's. I'm gonna get some pieces cut. This is a straight piece, nothing fancy, and then let's start working on this one first. First thing I need to do is upset one end of this shoot on the winch here. So, because we gotta be about 1 inch in width, and it actually needs to be quite a ways in that. I'm just trying to put a little bit of a cant on this to bring that out. Say we did okay. I think we did okay. Right, we don't want to round that top. We want to start running down. There it is, right? Beautiful curve, except for what? Kind of cut it the wrong way. Hopefully we get some of that back. Good. Maybe we'll deal with that on the right. Alright, I like it. Let me just leave it just like that. We'll move on to the next piece. All right, so where are we at? We got this piece cut. Wow, some of the water. All right, go right there perfectly. And then this piece just got forged. And that goes right there perfectly. Covers up exactly what that one is. I just trimmed that end off of the grinder, just to make sure everything fits well. So what I'd like to do now is this piece here. Oh, this is going to be some crazy challenge. Wow. Let's get that hole. See, if you look at the printed part, this curve is, it's just a subtle curve, right? I mean, it's not subtle, but it's smooth. It's a smooth curve. This one, if you take a look, he's got a straight section, and then see how they kind of got exaggerated? I don't think he wants that. I think he wants a smooth curve. So we're going to do it as a smooth curve, and hey, that's what proof of concepts and prototypes are for, I guess. So we're just going to do a simple smooth curve. Now there's a good example where I didn't have this as hot as this, and I was curving back here. Okay, yeah, like that makes sense. You gotta be careful because I do have an extra copy of this, but I don't want to burn my paper too much. So that. Give her more. Now let's see where we stand. This piece here. Not too snabby at all. Alright, I like it. Now let's see what we can do about throwing a tack in there and hope everything stays with the belongs. And let's just hope. Alright, there you have it. Not too shabby. Yeah, I can take these hammer marks out, but I figured in case he wants that kind of look, we'll give it to him like that, and then if he doesn't like it, we can take it out. Where are you? I'm down here. And just like that. Perfect. I put a 1-inch standoff on there. He's sinking it into a 1/4 inch plate. So I figured that 3/4 inch standoff by the time I plug weld that, or a little bit more. That looks really, really good from the top. It's straight, should be straight down. Ish. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I was ready to come back on me like that, but concept declined, but I haven't heard back from him yet, so I went ahead and made the other letters. I have such confidence in myself. There's the 2. 9. 4. And there's 0. So I get you shot a little higher. Ignore the 1-inch bar there, but. Very pleased. I think I'm very pleased. Hopefully you liked them now that they're done. Holy crap. Alright, now I'm out of here. Ciao. If you found this video helpful, educational, maybe even if you just found it entertaining, and you want to support me, you can jump back to my channel. There's a button on the right hand side of the screen called support, and it's kind of like a tip jar. You can go ahead and leave Chandler a tip for this video, and that'll help me make some more, I guarantee. Thanks for your support, as always.